Hello, friend. Here we are back again. We are going to talk about the 5720, the channel of the brainwave. It's this penetrating awareness. And you know what? This is a really, really simplistic channel. There is this intuitive clarity in the now. Poof. It happens so quickly that so many times the brain can't even register it, hence the reason it's called the brainwave. That intuitive clarity to be expressed in the now. However, what kind of channel is this, peeps? 5720 projected. That clarity, that knowing, that a penetrating awareness, it definitely needs to be invited. Remember, individuality, mutative. If the other person is not ready for your mutative energy that you're presenting to them, it doesn't, trying to hammer it into them will get you nowhere. When you're invited to share that penetrating awareness, the mutation can settle in their cellular structure. We can't force any of this. We try so hard to force stuff. Pointless. Don't use your energy to do that. Don't overexert yourself. No point. And if you see here, this is a part of a manifesting generator channel, responding to that invitation to share that penetrating awareness, to empower the other person. So none of this stands on its own. None of these channels, gates, traits, lines, profile, Godhead, any of it, none of it stands on its own. There's this mixing pot, this spiral continuously happening. And, the 5720 just doesn't come out here and break away from it. No, it's a part of the mix. It's part of the mix. So what does your design look like? And how does this penetrating awareness show up for you? For this particular person, super awesome. They have the 3420, which, it helps when that 57 is involved in that. Can give them some kind of intuitive clarity on that movement that's going to happen, that busyness that's going to happen. But that 5720, that penetrating awareness in the now, that mutative energy that's going to be presented, just wait for somebody to invite you. It's mutative, always. Individuality, always mutative. Thank you.